So welcome. So today I'm going to talk about a repair for your TX 500H. That's very simple to do. Please smash the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos. If you like my video to the end, please help me out with a thumbs up. And so these wheels are nice looking and they're really beautiful, but there is one unfortunate part of it. So the unfortunate part is basically if you scratch it, it's very noticeable as well too. So unfortunately, like I mentioned, I have the good vibe somehow to scratch the wheel. And actually the dealer pointed it out, but they didn't offer a solution. You can see it over here. It looks pretty nasty if you look at it directly. But if you're standing like 5 feet away or something like that, you probably won't notice it. You know, it's one of those things that you don't want to have a wheel repair person, to spend a lot of money on it, right? But you do want to touch it up because it stands out. So touch-up paint is the thing that you need. It's gonna tell you it's Nebula Gray Pearl. Actually, the color matches pretty good. I'll post the part number in the comments as well if you want to check it out. Sorry, the zoom is not perfect on this over here. So I'm gonna apply it over here on the wheel. Make sure you clean the surface with alcohol first. Some people have mentioned that maybe you could try nail polish. Yes, nail polish. Maybe. But this one is about like $9, right? $9 for touch-up paint is still reasonable in my book, even though it sounds expensive, right? Because you're getting very little. And initially, when you apply it on, which is impossible to do holding the phone camera here, it's gonna dry, and you might want to redo it again, etc. Right? But once you get it on, I don't know, camera zoom is not the best, and it'll cover it up, and it's gonna mask it. Of course, you clean the wheel and everything before you do anything in that particular area. So you can see it doesn't look that bad right now. So you still see it's wet. It's right near the center of the screen if you're wondering where I'm shining the light at. That's where it's touched up. So not noticeable. The colors, I don't know, so really 100% match. If you tried it already, let me know in the comments. I feel like it's more like a 85% to 90% match, and that's the closest I could get. Here's another look. Actually, it looks pretty good in my book. Not noticeable unless you drive really close or you really know that the area has been touched up. So there you go. So yes, these are really big wheels and tires for the TX 500H 255 45 R22s. Tires are amazing. They have multiple colors and stuff like that, but also maintenance and upkeeping keeps your vehicle special and nice to drive. But if you don't do the upkeeping on your vehicle, your vehicle won't be so nice over time. Then again, it's just a car, like some people say, right? So I hope this video helps you out if you're wondering what color paint to use for your wheel. I mean, like touch up is always one of those little simple stuff to do. A little bit at a time helps a lot. Thumbs up, please. Please leave a comment below. Please subscribe. See you next time. Have a good one. Bye.